Welcome, the professor is in. My name is Rustin, and in this video I'm going to break down the steps to the Romanian folk dance called Rustemul, and we're getting started right now. Start off by raising your left heel and lowering it to the floor, and step to the right, and now put your left foot slightly in front of the right foot, and now pick up the right foot and step it down. So that is what I call a basic step. And now do a basic step on your right side. So the same pattern and switch it to the other side of your body. Raise and lower the right heel, step to your left, cross step with the right, and then step in place with your left foot. And now we're about to do a variation of the basic step where we lift and drop, step to the right, do a cross step and a step in place, and now step to the side and step in place, and then one more cross step, and then one more step in place. So there we have one side of our first step. And now we take the same pattern and now just switch it to the other half of our body. So now we start with the right heel drop. Heel, step, cross step, heel, step, cross step variation. Heel, step, cross step, side step, cross step. So that's the very first step pattern. Our second step begins with two basics, left side, then right. So left heel first. Heel, step, cross step, heel, step, cross step. Now step to the right and step your left foot in place. And now do a chasse, so right foot meets left. Step the left foot forward, hop and turn to your left wall. Step the right foot down and chasse, and then right foot forward. And now hop and face your right wall one more time, hop, and then put the left foot down. Now we're about to do 4 counts of chasses going back. Step with your right foot, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now turn back to the front, and you're going to lift up your right heel for a basic step. Heel, step, cross step, and one more time, left side now. Heel, step, cross step. Now to complete the entire step 2, we do everything we just did on the other side of our body. So now we do 2 basics, right side first, then left. Heel, step, cross step, heel, step, cross step, step left, step right, chasse, hop and turn, chasse, hop and turn one more time, and then we put on the brakes. Now back pedal for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 2 basics, heel, step, cross step, heel, step, cross step. Step 3 begins with a skip, and we begin our skip with our hop. Because you can start a skip with a step. This one starts with a hop like this. Hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step. So 4 counts of skips. And now our left foot's on the floor. And that's your signal. That's the heel you need because it's already planted for a basic step. Heel, step, cross step. One more, other side. Heel, step, cross step. Now we're going to back pedal for 3 skips, starting with a hop, and 1, and 2, and 3, and now do 2 marches or 2 runs, however you want to think of it, like that. And now we're about to do the same thing now on the other half of our body. Right foot's already on the floor, so that's where we start with a hop, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Right foot's on the floor, we use the right heel, heel, step, cross step, heel, step, cross step, now going back, and 1, and 2, and 3, run, run. Now we'll do the dance for you, and I'll do it with the arm swings. So the arms swing evenly, they never syncopate. So every time you hit a number, 1, 2, our arms should be, or our hands really, should be down by our pants seams. And we start with our arms in front of us first. you like this video, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.